Sacred Heart High School, Nalasopara West. Standard 4th, Subject EVS 2, History. Chapter 3, Maratha Sardars, the Famous House of Bhosles, Part 2. Hello students, I am here with you all for the continuation of chapter number 3. The Bhosles of Verul. Babaji Bhosle had two sons, Maloji and Vithoji. Both were very brave. Maloji Raje was the elder son and Vithoji Raje was the younger son. Babaji Bhosle was the Patil of Verul. They had in their service many armed Maratha troops, means these Maratha army had their own armed force. During that time, there were constant war among the people. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah, and at that time Daulatabad was the capital of Nizam Shahi. Malik Amber was the Wazir of Nizam Shah. Children, here Wazir means Mantri or the advisor of the Raja. Malik Amber was a wise man. He saw the bravery of the two brothers Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje, and he went and told about their bravery to Nizam Shah. Nizam Shah was looking forward for such people who can fight with the Mughals. Nizam Shah made both the brothers Sardar at this court and conferred upon them the Jagir of Pune, Suppe and Paragana. On receiving such a big Jagir, the Bhosles became rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife Umabai was a daughter of Nimbalkar of Paltan. Maloji Raje Bhosle had two sons, Shahaji Raje and Sharifji. When Shahaji Raje was 5 years old, that time his father Maloji Raje died in the battle of Indapur. After the death of his father, Vithoji Raje looked after the two children and their Jagir. Few days later, Vithoji Raje asked Shahaji Raje to get married to Jizabai, who was the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Lakhuji Rao Jadhav was also one of the brave Maratha Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He was highly respected in the court of Nizam Shah. He celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jizabai with great pomp. Jizabai became the fortune of Bhosle family. Shahaji Raje. After the death of Maloji Raje, Nizam Shah transferred the Jagir upon Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was brave and had a great respect in the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Mughal Emperor of Delhi decided to win over the kingdom of Nizam Shah, and in this Adil Shah was also inside of Mughal Emperor. Because of this, there was increase in their army force. To save the Nizam Shahi kingdom, Wazir Malik Amber and Shahaji Raje fought very bravely. The battle took place at Bhatwadi near Ahmednagar. The battle was won by Nizam Shahi kingdom, but Shahaji Raje's younger brother Sharifji was killed in the battle. Shahaji Raje showed great courage while fighting the battle, and for which Shahaji Raje was praised as a brave general. His work was praised everywhere in the kingdom of Nizam Shah, for which Malik Amber started getting jealous on him, and the enmity between two started increasing. Looking at this, Shahaji Raje left the kingdom of Nizam Shah and joined the court of Adil Shah. Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sar Lashkar, which means the chief of army. Later, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. The Wazir Malik Amber died and his son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shah. During the rule of Fateh Khan, the kingdom of Nizam Shah declined, and again the Mughal emperor started attacking the kingdom of Nizam Shah. So, to save Nizam Shah's mother made an appeal, means request to Shahaji Raje to return and save it. Therefore, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned back to Nizam Shahi. Thank you.